Hello everybody, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the stock of the day, and I do apologize. There's some leaf blowers going outside my window right now, so hopefully it's not too distracting. First, before I talk about the stock of the day, I just want to talk a little bit about this BKKT from yesterday. If you were in the trading room yesterday, you know that I was saying I was looking maybe to swing this one at the big news with MasterCard, etc. I was looking to swing this one if it could close near the highs, and that's exactly what happened. Not so much the close, but look at this pop. This is right at I'm sorry, right here. This is the early right here, and that's at 3:30, and so it looked really good. I said, okay, I'm going to swing this one. The room was already closed, of course, and look what it did. So I got in here around the 26 level. I did take some out after hours yesterday here, and then way up here, and then this morning down here. So what an incredible trade. I think a lot of people did the same thing as I did. But I do want to talk about MYSZ this morning. This was the trade of the day for me anyway. And not so much, it was a plan that came together. And I think what I have to do is take a look at a 15-minute chart. Let me just change the time frame. I'll show you exactly what we were talking about. And it's funny because somebody in the room, and I know they were kind of joking, at this point right here, this stock was up 80%. It did have some room, or news, I should say. And I said, well, you're right. It's up 80%, but you know, stocks, especially with a float like this, I think the float is something like 9 million shares. You never know what can happen. Anyway, the bottom line is this, is that we watched this little pullback here, and I put an alert right here above the highs, and I said, okay, I'm going to be very interested in taking this trade right around 225, which is exactly what I did. And look at the volume. See, it's all about volume, guys. The volume came in at the same time, 225, almost straight up to 280, okay? And then it pulled back, and then it got back up to almost to 3. But as I said to everybody, you've got to trade these. You can't expect these things to just keep going parabolic for the entire day. So, you know, that turned out to be just a great trade. You know, average about 225. I got some out at 277 on average. So, great percentage move, and a lot of people in the trading room took advantage of that. So I want to get back into the trading room. In the email you're getting, you will see the promo code. Still good for 25% off the first month only, or the entire year. So I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. Hope to see you in the room. Bye-bye.